So today I'm going to be doing a roll that dice for mystery slime challenge. That's a really mouthful. So how this game works, I'm going to be rolling this big die into this bucket because I don't want it rolling on my floor. And as you can see, there's numbers all along these things. Number 1 is on the ground, that's my glue. So I'm going to be rolling this die and I have to put it in order. So like if I roll glue and then I roll clay, it's going to be a mess. So, and then round 2 will be glitter paws slime repair shop thing. So we can fix it. We can redeem ourselves. So let's get started. Okay, go. Okay, we got a 4. Dang it! Oh, okay. What's 4? Is this 4? Okay. So we have shaving cream. Bonded glue. Stop. Why are you cackling? The cackling. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of this. Okay, next one. So we don't get clay, because. So we get glue. Dang it! I got clay! This is not going my way, guys. I don't know how I'm gonna put clay into shaving cream. So we have Daiso clay. Oh. I'm just gonna add a tiny bit. Okay, I'll add more. It kind of blends in with the shaving cream. It kind of looks like it. And so now I'm gonna mash this together. Ew. Ew, what the heck? It's chunky. Oh my gosh. Okay. Please do not be number 2. Because I don't know if you can see what's number 2. I'm not gonna stick my hands in that. Yes, I got glue. Probably, I'm gonna start with white glue. Or should I do glitter glue? Okay, we're doing glitter glue. Never mind. Okay, I'm gonna take purple glitter glue. Okay. Drop the lid in it. Ah. Yeah, okay. Just gonna hope this turns into slime. It's like there's a chunk of clay stuck on my spatula. It looks like a slug. Oh yeah. Yeah. Okay. Ooh, it turned like lavender. Well, that's my favorite color. Okay. Look how pretty that is. Oh, chunks of clay. Delicious. Yum. Okay. I'm already activating? Okay. That's all I need. Okay. Hopefully the clay chunks, it's in my mouth. Hopefully the clay chunks mix in when I start kneading it. Because we're gonna have a chunky slime if they don't. I think this is only my 3rd roll? 4th roll? Okay. Okay, yeah, more baking soda because that's not enough. Yay! Ew! Okay, it's activating, which is good, but it feels like frosting. So, that's what I want myself. feels like putty or like sticky. That's probably what butter slimes feel like anyway. Well, that is what butter slimes. Yay, the chunks are mixing in, everything's coming together. Maybe we won't even need the redemption round. That would be nice, but we probably will because we don't know what the next 2 rounds will hold. Hopefully you don't get glue, because one time I added glue to this one. It was jiggly, and it was a jiggly slime, and it was and I don't know if you've ever had this happen to you, but the glue activated inside of the slime, so then I had little strings of slime inside of my slime, and they wouldn't mix in, and then I had to throw it away. So, ew, I'm stuck. Okay, hyperventilating. Hold on. Okay. Second. Whew. I'm stuck. Sadly, the clay chunks are not mixing in, so. Okay. I got more activator. This is gonna be as hard as a rock. Well, that's what the redemption round is anyway. I feel like that was needed though. Okay. I don't think we even needed the glitter or the paint because there's already glitter in this, and then the paint, there's already color in this, so. Oh yeah. 4, what's 4? I haven't gotten anything but clay, shaving cream, glue, and where's all the glitter, people? Okay, we're gonna mix this in. Now. Smells. And it's hard. That's what fluffy slimes always do to me. They always get really hard. Actually, it's just probably really thick. But yeah, it's still kind of nice though. I feel like it needs more clay. But yeah, now we're going to go on to the redemption round. Okay, we're back. Butter slimes, they're like stringy when you pull them up. And I think that's so satisfying. So I'm gonna try to achieve that. I also got this, it probably looks blue on camera, but it's kind of like pixie. It's like blue and purple. So, yeah. I'm just gonna mix this in. We need the kind of a liquidy slime to achieve the correct butter slime, so I'm gonna see if this might be a waste of glitter because it's no fake slime and that's clear glitter, fine glitter, but you know, it's fine. Okay. So it's sticky now and liquidy, like we wanted. Okay, now we're gonna add more clay. It's so soft. Okay. So we're almost to the butter consistency we all want in our life. But this might take a minute. That wasn't the prettiest I'm sorry. That was kind of my fault. That wasn't really the fault. But we're almost there. Nope. And that it's escaping me. Okay. More clay. Daiso clay for the win. can't figure out what runs the mixing packs, but we'll figure it out sometime. Probably at like 3 in the morning tomorrow. And then I can't tell you guys. Mix this. Fix, mix. Bricks. Fix.
We're gonna mix it.
This isn't a Facebook game. Moving on. So chunks aren't mixing in, and it's getting thick. I can tell. So we might need more lotion. We might need more lotion. Still haven't added glitter yet. We will add that at the end. After we make this slime, so the glitter can't show through it. Yes. Alright, we're getting there. I can see it. But we're not there yet. So. And I'll keep in mind the items that I used this week so I don't make a copy of it next week. Okay. Oh, the clay! My mom hates it when I use the whole block because it's not necessary and it makes it stiff. But it doesn't want me to put it in the slime. Okay. So this is getting really long. It's gonna take forever to edit. So this will probably almost wrap it up. I swear, I'm never going to get that butter consistency. And I'm probably going to be watching this video in like 2 years and I'm like, oh, I got the butter consistency, blah, blah, blah. But, you know, for now, I haven't really, ever since I started with clay slime, and that was like a year ago or something. Nothing. Betrayal. That was so close. But I think that was just the lotion chunking up. I mean, I feel like glitter just fixes everything, so, you know. So I'm gonna add some of this pixie glitter again. This probably looks more blue to you on camera. Ooh, that was hard to open. And it's like holographic in a way. I don't know if you can see, but it's just blue, pink, and purple. Like, there's no other color. Ooh, this might actually show up. Oh, but it might also do that thing where it turns it darker and then it looks like chicken pox, no matter what color you use. But I mean, it's kind of showing up. It kind of looks like Mulan colors, almost. You know what I mean? But we're getting there. Okay. But okay, I'm just going to try a little bit more clay and then some lotion to see if we can get the texture that we've always wanted. Ooh, I made the clay glittery! Just saying, we can put a real butter slime recipe in the description box if you didn't hear that. Okay, stop glaring at me. People, she's glaring at me. And then of course we have to do the slime swirl, and then put glitter atop it. I feel like this isn't as pretty as the color as I'd like it to be. Like it kind of turned great pink or something like that. So this is actually one more thing, and then I'll end the video because I'm probably boring you guys to death. I shall be right back. So I don't usually use these finger paints, but since I just ran out of my purple acrylic, I'm going to use this. If there's any in here. Okay. So this is going to be the end of the video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, like, and also if you comment down below #CatKittenSquad, you might get a shout out in a future video. Not today, probably not next week, but sometime soon. What kind of face was that? Not sorry. Don't ask me.